Hello, this is the Naked Purse Lady. I know I haven't been around for a while. Today I want to do something a little different. I am going to do an unboxing. That's my cat. She's trying to take over again. So I came into a little bit of money. All right, I just played a couple shows and sold a couple paintings, but I wanted to do an unboxing because I ordered from Stitch Fix, which is a subscription company. But what I did is I canceled subscriptions. So I ordered one box. I want to see how I do with that. And I may try a couple other boxes. There's a vintage clothing company one that I'm interested in, but I get Ipsy on a regular basis now, and that's only $10, but Stitch Fix, I chose the Ultra Cheapo subscription. They give you a choice. I think you have like 4 price point levels, and I chose the cheap one. Not because I'm cheap, but because I'm, let's say, a little bit on the frugal side. So let's unbox. By the way, this kitty cat shirt was a present that I got for my 50th birthday from a good friend, and you can find this top at H&M. Okay, so let's unbox. I don't know if you guys normally open your boxes this way. I try to be careful because you don't want to cut too deeply. And because you don't want to injure the underlying tissue, which essentially is the contents of your box, rather than the box itself. Oy, 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 oy. My stars, they don't make it necessarily easy. Oh my goodness me. All right. Oh, they give you what looks like a nice little card, but what it actually is, oh, it says, oh, hello. It says, oh, hello, and then it has some brands and pictures of the clothing, a few pieces of clothing from each brand, I guess. Ah. That's Silkette. She has feline lymphoma, so I basically just let her do whatever she damn well pleases, which is pretty much what she was doing before anyway. And I know you can't see me. I don't know if you can see this, but that's the little card they give you, and this is the other side of the card. So what it says is, take a peek, tucked inside pieces from your stylist, outfit inspiration, and personalized style advice. So I noticed that they only charged me $20 up front, and from what I understand, for every piece you keep, you pay for that piece plus a $20 styling fee, and you send back whatever you don't want. I'm not sure how long you have to decide, but that's the gist of it. Oh, okay, so it says try on all 5 items, pair them with favorites from your closet, and use the enclosed style cards for outfit inspiration. So that's what it's for. Decide what you love and what you want to send back. Then share your thoughts. They give you a URL for that to compare and contrast, I guess, and rate items. And then you send it back if you want whatever you are sending back in the enclosed prepaid shipping bag, and drop it at any USPS mailbox or collection site within 3 business days. I'm sorry, but 3 business days, that's not a whole lot of time if you're a busy performing artist or a busy anything for that matter. Anyway, so moving on to the contents of the box itself. Okay, so this is the mail bag they give you, so at least you don't have to get that unboxing stuff yourself. What's this? Woo! Ah, that's my cat, my friends. Her name is Selket. So look, this says extra. Oh, okay, because I chose to order some of the undergarments. And I've got, so I ordered a red, kind of a boy brief type of thing. And then I ordered it in a thong. I'm not going to tell you my size because it's the National Eating Disorders Association week, and it's just, you know, one of the things that we try to do, or that they try to do, is stay away from numbers, whether that's sizes or weights, and just stay away from descriptions of shapes and different things like that, which is good for everybody, including and especially those in recovery. Some of you might know that I wrote a book on the disorder, on one of the disorders, in this case anorexia nervosa. And it's about an adult sufferer who is struggling from having no insurance and from her own ambivalence. And you can find that at anorexiabook.com. Woo! I'm sorry, Selket, I scared my cat. I scared my cat. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it looks like I got the Liverpool, they sent a Liverpool brand pair of pants, and they look like they have a nice slight stretch to them. And it looks like the retail on this, oh, the price point on this is, I don't know. It actually doesn't even say, to be honest with you, but I can try to find that information somewhere in the box. Okay, and then I have, looks like they sent me a pair of leopard, high-waisted leopard sort of leggings-ish, maybe athleisure wear. It says it's a jagger. So what is that? A jogger? Is that jeggings, leggings, jogger? What is a jagger? Anyone know what a jagger is? Then we've got this. Oh, this is adorable. I really like stripes. So this is a Golden Ray brand. What does it say? It's corduroy? No, that doesn't make sense. Gold Ray. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a color block Henley blouse. I don't know if you can really see the back very well, but weird. They're kind of wet. Maybe it's just because it was raining out and there's, but no, they're too wet for that. I don't really understand what's going on. All right. So we've got this piece here. This is pretty. It's a cowl neck sort of sweatery hoodie top with crochet. I like this one. This is by Harper Lane, and it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. And this one is a dress. It's kind of pretty, I think. And it's by Wisp. It's a knit dress. It's the Tegan style that they have, I guess. All right, so what I'm going to do is try to report back to you once I've tried everything on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to try them on in front of the camera, because not in front of the camera, but like show you the result of that, because I, I have a few chronic illnesses that I am living with, and it's just not always easy to do things like that. So anyway, my cat is doing interesting things in the litter box, which is kind of nice to see, since she tends to manipulate me by not using the litter box a lot of the time. Plus she knows she's really cute no matter what she does. She's a Chelsea, which is, in her case, Abyssinian with African jungle cat, and she has some Bengal in her as well. And one last thing that I wanted to show you, I got permanent cat eyeliner. This black top eyeliner you're seeing, that's a 3-day-old job. You're not allowed to wear mascara for a few days, so I'm not wearing any mascara. And I did go over my blue eyebrows in another blue with a black over the top of that. Oh, these are Nile earrings, and the jeweler is Maya, and they have a shop on Castro Street in San Francisco and a few online places as well. They have their own website, mayajewelry.com, and they have an Etsy store. I'm not sure what else, but anyway, I hope to talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, I mean meow.